Just in case you didn't already know, it's grilling season, and when it's grilling season, you gotta order from ButcherBox. Might be one of the biggest ButcherBox I've gotten yet. They had a lot of new products that were out and some specials going on, so I had to stock up for the barbecues I have coming up. So let's go ahead and get inside. Oh, I felt bad for the guy who had to deliver this one. Let's see what we got. Alright. So if you haven't had ButcherBox before, you start with get to pick 6 base proteins. It could be steaks, fish, or maybe fish, chicken, pork, and then you're gonna start adding on the other member deals that they have. I let my wife go a little crazy with my phone on this order, so we might have some surprises in here, but I know we're gonna have some good steaks. Alright, as always, our dry ice packaging, still nice and cold. And our order. Alright, first out we got, this is a 5.7 ounce boneless leg of lamb. I wanted to put it into my smoker. My mother-in-law heard that I was getting one, and she wanted to roast one in the oven, so we're going to have a lamb leg cook-off. Hopefully make some delicious tacos. Next we have ButcherBox chicken strips. Compared to the store, these are a little bit more expensive, but they are delicious. I've had them before and really enjoyed them, so I picked up some of those from my freezer. We got some, oh, this is a new one. This is the sweet and smoky Alaskan salmon bite. So it's smoked salmon, it's cold smoked, so it might be a little bit drier, but I like salmon. Probably gonna use that, put it over some sushi rice. A new product from ButcherBox is going to be this, oh, it's got dry ice on it still. It's going to be this pork ground chorizo. This is a new one I haven't tried yet, so try to make some breakfast out of that. Oh, this is another new product. This is cold smoked sockeye salmon. So this is going to be more for like your breakfast bagels, sandwiches, maybe like a charcuterie board. Haven't tried that one yet. Then they had a free gift for the month. It was bratwurst. So we got a free package of bratwurst with their order. A lot of times when you're signing up, they'll have different promos going on. For instance, when I signed up, I got free ribeyes for life. We do have a affiliate link or like a invite a friend code in the description of this video for $50 off your first order. So I'm not sure what the promo item is, but I do know that you will get $50 off if you use that link. And we do, it does support the channel. We get our meat so we can keep the channel going. Alright, so I got a whole bunch of fillets. I have a friend's birthday coming up. So we got a whole bunch of fillets and ribeyes because they wanted me to cook steaks for their birthdays. So these are what the ButcherBox fillets are going to look like, and these are what the ribeyes are going to look like. Then we got for the first time a fully cooked pot roast. So you actually don't have to cook this one yourself. It's pre-cooked. I guess it's ready to go. Oh, you can even cook in the microwave. Okay. Oven. Bake in the oven for 75 to 80 minutes until thoroughly wet. Oh, they want you to leave it frozen and then bake it. Alright, so that'll make a good dinner one night. Next we got, okay, so I've had these ones before. ButcherBox beef and pork meatballs. They're about the same price you'd pay in a grocery store, but I just think the quality's better. It's like real quality meat in there. Next we got some Italian chicken sausage. We've got an Italian night coming out. Figured we'd add that in the box. Then another promotional item they had at the time was 3 pounds of chicken breast for $13. So I'd go ahead and take advantage of that deal. I'm using my salmon here. Oh. Then we got our second leg of lamb. I'm not really sure which one to use for my smoker or which one to throw in my oven or what I'm even looking for with the leg of lamb. So leave me a comment if you know anything about cooking lamb or if you have any experience smoking it. Got some more of our smoked salmon. Got some more ribeyes. Got a lot of ribeyes. Some more fillets. Alright, so like I said, picking your six base proteins is going to be $169. If you use that promo code, it'll get $50 off that. This box for all this stuff was right around $450 to $500. But like I said, we did get a lot more than we normally would. This should feed some people for quite some time. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Alright, you guys have stuck around this long. You want to actually watch me cook something? You want to see how I cook my fillets? Come on. Now, people can disagree on how they like their fillet all day. Me, I like a true medium rare. And as you can hear, that's still half frozen. So the ultimate hack, do it half frozen. What I'm going to do, I like this guy. Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse. I'm going to over season it so I can get that crust. Then I'm going to throw it in the oven to finish it, and all it's going to burn off in my oil. This is what my friends get. Alright, so I got my oven preheated on 500. I got some olive oil. I'm sorry, not olive oil. Avocado oil has a higher smoke point. Get a little bit of that in our pan. And wait till that avocado oil starts moving. That means the pan's ready. Alright, avocado oil is moving around. That means it's ready for this bad boy. Let's get it right in there. 2 minutes each side. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes. Got a nice little char on it. Yep. See the other side. Alright, let's flip it again. Throw it in the oven. That's going to be about 4 minutes in the oven. Some of that char is going to come off. Some of the juices come out of the meat. Some of that crust is going to come off. It's still going to be delicious. Check it out when it comes out. After 5 minutes, 2 beers, I think this dude's about ready to rest. Let him rest. Alright, moment of truth. He's been resting for a while. See how we did. Medium rare? I think so. ButcherBox is the way to go. Thanks for watching.